In 2003, the Land Code of the Republic of Kazakhstan was adopted. Also, a particularly significant event in 2003 was the first Congress of Leaders of World and Traditional Religions in Astana. On the 13th of January in the year 2004, President Nursultan Abишevich Nazarbayev signed a decree on the state program Cultural Heritage. At the first stage of the program implementation, 218 volumes were published, including samples of national and world culture. 35 architectural monuments were overhauled and restored. In the USA, Japan, Turkey, Russia, Armenia, a number of Western European countries, a research work was carried out. About 5,000 data related to a national history were collected. Also, in this year, a museum of the first president of the Republic of Kazakhstan was opened in the capital. On the 24th of December in the year 2004, the official presentation of the new residence of the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Akorda, took place. Representatives of 26 nationalities, specialists and workers from dozens of countries of the world worked for the construction of particularly important state facility. Akorda is a clear embodiment of the new philosophy of the country's development. In 2005, the law on the border between Kazakhstan and Russia was approved. On the 22nd of March in 2005, the Nur Astana Mosque was opened in honor of the celebration of Nowruz. On the 9th of May in 2005 was the 60th anniversary of the victory in the Great Patriotic War. On the 2nd of June in 2005 was the 50th anniversary of the world's first and largest cosmodrome, Baikonur.